The mission of Karatbars is to provide an easy, convenient, and most importantly, an affordable way for anyone to exchange paper dollars into real money, gold. It is not about gold as a commodity, but gold as insurance and as a hedge against the rapid loss in purchasing power of paper currencies that's happening worldwide. So let me ask you, how much currency-grade spendable gold as insurance do you have in your long-term savings at any price? There is a great book that many have read called The Richest Man in Babylon. The main message in the book is about the principle of spending no more than 90% of what you earn in order to create wealth. In other words, put 10% of every dollar that passes through your hands into something that will continue to grow and increase your wealth. This is the primary focus of Karatbars, putting a small amount at a time into gold bullion, something that at this time in history is sage advice, considering the rate of inflation on essential goods and services. Gold will continue to buy you as much or more long-term than the same amount of dollars saved ever will. But Karatbars not only makes it convenient to move paper currencies into gold bullion 1 gram at a time, critical if the majority of the population will ever afford to own gold, but they have taken that concept much further and have created a complete system where those same gram bars can be used to purchase goods and services in stores without the need to convert them back into cash first. This may be extremely important in the event of a disaster, currency collapse, devaluation, or should that ATM suddenly stop spitting out cash, or your credit cards no longer work. Now you have gold bullion in a format and part of a complete system that will allow you to use to put food on the table, gas in your car, or anything else you may need. No need to stand in a long lineup and be forced to accept what the gold dealer is offering to convert it to cash so that you can utilize your gold. Simply transfer your gold to the merchant's account or walk into any of the thousands and soon to be hundreds of thousands of stores that are part of the Karatbar system and use your Karatbars as that form of exchange to purchase their goods and services. So, how do you make money as an affiliate for Karatbars? Well, the first thing that's necessary is to educate yourself on the product and understand the difference between the asset classes of gold bullion and why the price you may find at your local gold dealer is not the same quality of gold and certainly not with the many features and benefits that come with owning Karatbars gold. Understanding the many features and benefits that come with owning Karatbars over any other gold or silver at any price is essential here. Now, before I explain how the affiliate income is generated, let's review why Karatbars is uniquely positioned in the gold marketplace. Yes, $2,000 to $5,000 a week or more is not only possible within a few short weeks or months as an affiliate here, doing this very part-time as many are proving, but more importantly, many are quickly building a sizable savings in 999.9 24-karat gold bullion. As stated, Karatbar's mission is to make the ownership of gold possible to everyone and offer not only the highest quality of gold in the world in a very convenient way to securely purchase it online, but having it in a format that ensures it is a spendable gold as well. There are thousands of dealers around the world that will sell you gold, but only one that provides this complete system where that gold ownership comes with a way to utilize it without being forced to convert it back into cash first. This may be extremely important in the future. So if you are a gold and silver owner now, adding Karatbars to your portfolio could be one of the smartest things you can do. All Karatbars are produced by what are known as London Bullion Market Association accredited refineries, and out of the thousands of refineries, there are only about 55 that are on this LBMA London Good Delivery list. Gold stamped with the LBMA refineries logo ensures it is the weight and quality as stated. Very important for a gold that is accepted worldwide as a form of exchange, as Karatbars are. Although Karatbars are competitively priced for small weight currency grade gold and with some very unique security features that others do not have, the main features include free storage if you choose to, or FedEx insured delivery from the very first gram. The ability to purchase as little as a 1, a 2.5, or a 5 gram bar at a time, embedded in credit card size plastic cards, or the 1 gram patented designed Karatbars coins. The latest security features, which include blacklight technology on the cards and gold embedded scan technology, the refinery stamp and serial number on the front of the gold bar, and the special Karatbars logo embedded on the back of the gold bar, allowing anyone to instantly recognize it as being pure and not fake. It's still far too early, however, before anyone purchasing or owning Karatbars should want to use them as a form of exchange. But that system is in place now, and merchants participating will dramatically increase over the coming years as this phase 2 is completely rolled out with account-to-account transfers, mobile phone apps, etc., allowing all to conveniently use Karatbars Gold to purchase goods and services online or in participating stores worldwide. So now anyone can afford to own gold, but not just any gold that you may find online or at the many dealers worldwide, but a gold that is part of a complete system that provides the level of safety and insurance needed in this economic environment to withstand any event that may affect the value and use of paper money. In addition to the standard Karatbars, you will find many collector and branded cards available, and you can create your own card with your business, foundation, or personal information for that matter, to use as a fundraiser item or simply as a great promotional gift to give clients as an advertising item. Let's review just how easy it is to earn a great income working very part-time that can not only allow you to acquire your own gold without any cost out of pocket, but also earn a significant weekly income. Now make no mistake, there are many who open an account and have no interest in referring others. They just want to be customers and want Karatbars for the security and insurance it provides to their family or to protect them from inflation, that loss of purchasing power that's happening everywhere to paper currencies these days. There are those who are already in business, even another referral-based business perhaps, and want to add an additional revenue stream and integrate Karatbars into their business and employee benefits program. But I do not know of anyone who would not want to build a secondary source of ongoing income just in case, and one that could literally quickly replace the income they may currently be generating doing whatever job or work they now do. If that's you, then the following is directed to you. Karatbars is an e-commerce company, meaning they do business online worldwide. But they have also provided a way anyone over the age of 18 can introduce others to Karatbars and earn a referral fee in the form of a direct commission on whatever those people may purchase. However, in addition, they have allowed anyone to build a sales team of affiliates and earn a bonus on all sales resulting from those teams of affiliates, no matter where in their teams the purchase happens. It's a great way to earn a residual income that continues to come in even if you stop introducing others yourself. This is not a multi-level marketing or internet marketing distributor model, although it is a referral-based income structure. It's no different than a sales manager in any company in the world that earns a direct commission plus a sales bonus on all sales that sales manager's teams realize. So let's take a closer look. Anyone can open a free account, refer others, and earn a direct commission on all purchases their referrals make, and earn a bonus override on all sales from each referral's sales volumes. This is not, however, where the fast and big money is made as an affiliate. It should be noted that there is no requirement to purchase anything in this unilevel part of the dual system structure in order to earn any income. There are no monthly purchase requirements in Karatbars. What Karatbars has created, however, is what's called the Dual Team Optional Program as well, so that those who are here to make big money fast can do so. It does require you to qualify to be part of this income by making a one-time affiliate marketing package purchase. These packages include some Karatbars Gold, used to show others the incredible product, glossy professional brochures with more details about Karatbars, along with many discount cards that you can use yourself or give away to customers and affiliates as incentives to join your teams. For instance, give someone one of the 3% discount cards and they will get a 3% discount on all the gold they may purchase for a 12-month period. But the real value in purchasing an affiliate marketing package is the qualification for this dual team direct commission and bonuses it provides, which over time could be worth tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Is that worth the cost? Well, without question, but only if you're serious and want to participate in this affiliate dual team income. If you are not, then there is no reason to make a package purchase. So here is how the dual team system pays affiliates. Everyone earns a direct commission on all sales they personally make. Only one person earns any part of that commission. It's not split up among many. Depending on the package you purchase and are qualified at, that commission varies from 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20% on all sales other than gold sales. You earn up to 6% on all gold sales in the unilevel part of the dual system, but no direct commissions are earned in the optional dual team program on gold sales, where Karatbars would price their gold products right out of the market. If you purchase the digital bronze affiliate package, you qualify to earn a 5% commission on personal sales. Prices shown here are in euros. The cost of that is 99 euros and was actually created for third world countries who may not earn more than $500 a month to still afford to participate. Even 5% would be a blessing to them. The silver package pays 10% and costs 283 euros, the gold 15% and costs 633 euros, and the VIP 20%, which costs 1,616 euros. And there is a 100 euro discount card available from your sponsor that would bring your cost down to 1516 euros. Anyone can upgrade to a higher package qualification for approximately the difference in the cost. The direct commissions in the dual team program are on all sales other than gold sales, as was mentioned. The direct commissions provide a very fast income when you refer others personally, and each package qualification generates a different direct commission. But this direct commission is a small part of the real dual team income that's possible. Let's review the dual team bonuses, called payouts or cycles, which are considered residual income that come from building a left team and a right team of affiliates and customers. First, it's important to understand that every product anyone purchases has what is called a unit value. 1 gram of gold is equal to 1 unit. A 2.5 gram is 2 units. A Karatbars polo shirt is 3 units. A bronze package is 5, silver package is 20, the gold package 50, and the VIP package 100 units. When anyone within your two teams, no matter who makes the sale to them, purchases anything, that unit value is simply added to your running total of units for your team's total. Your two teams' running total of units continues to grow, and when one of your teams has 50 units total or more, and the other team hits 25 units, in real time those units are simply deducted from each team total and converted into cash that you see show up in your pending payout account to be paid out the following Friday. So how much does each 50-25 unit payout earn you? Well, it depends on the package you are qualified at. If you are qualified at bronze, then you will earn 10 euros or approximately $12 based on a currency exchange rate of 1.13. If silver, it's 40 euros. If gold, 60 euros. And if VIP, 80 euros. You can see why everyone wants to be VIP qualified as soon as their resources allow them. They not only earn the 20% for purchases made by those that they personally refer, but these payouts also earn them 80 euros or approximately $90 each time one team has 50 or more units in it and the other team hits 25 units. There's no time limit for this to happen. You never lose any units once added unless it converts them into pending cash, and there are no matching bonuses or percentages paid out based on what level they are away from you, etc. Very simple. Earn a direct commission and add to that this great dual team bonus that only continues to pay out as units accumulate in your two teams. So the choice is yours. If not now, when? Join us in this mission to help as many others build a store chest full of currency grade spendable gold bullion.